Hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba i-turn on or enable ang ating power saving mode sa Telegram. But first, can you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating Telegram app. So, dito guys, make sure na nakalogin yung account natin. And then, pagka-open mula dito sa pinakang chat list, itap nyo lang yung three horizontal lines na nandito sa upper left corner. And after nyan guys, dito, piliin naman natin yung settings. And then, dito sa settings, i-scroll up lang natin. And punta kayo dito guys, sa section na to, and piliin nyo yung power saving. And ayan guys, pagka-open ng power saving, so ganito yung makikita nyo. So, para ma-enable ang ating power saving mode, ang gagawin nyo lang is idadrag nyo itong circle na to, papunta dito sa left. So, ayan. Kapag ito guys is nasa dulo na, ibig sabihin, naka-enable na siya. Pero once na yan is nandito sa pinakandulo, naka-disable yan. So, ayan. Dapat nandito siya sa on or dapat dun siya nakatapat. So, ayan guys, ito yung ating power saving option. So, matu-turn off lahat ng ito guys na mga animation once na naka-turn on ang ating power saving mode para nga hindi malakas ang consume ng ating battery. So ito guys yung under ng power saving option. So matu-turn off or matu-disable yung animated stickers, animated emoji, effects in chats, animation in calls, autoplay videos, and autoplay GIFs. So matu-disable to lahat once na naka-turn on ang power saving mode. Pero at least guys, makakatulong siya para hindi agad malobat or madrain ang battery habang ginagamit natin ang ating Telegram. So, ayun lang guys, ganoon lang kasimple kung paano ba enable or turn on ang power saving mode sa ating Telegram. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.